Hey, what is going on guys? Cholo here and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're going to be taking a look at ASUS's latest refresh for their Vivobook. That is right, we're taking a look at the ASUS Vivobook S433E. Here we go. So let's see just how incredible your new Vivobook is. Alright, before I take a look at the laptop, let's see what the box has in store for us. Alright, so what do we have in magic compartment number 1? It's empty. Now what do we have in compartment number 2? Alright, here it is. The charger for the ASUS Vivobook. We have the usual documentation from ASUS, so a bunch of manuals, a flyer. Wow, the world. Alright, what's this? Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Oh, that's neat. Alright. ASUS gave us a bunch of free stickers. Really nice looking stickers, good quality, paper and everything. Something that we don't usually get when we get what we think is a workhorse laptop. Now let's unwrap this laptop. There we go. So we got the ASUS Intelligent Performance Technology featured right here. We believe you, ASUS. We believe you, and we have to take this off so we can see the full design of our new ASUS Vivobook. It's really nice. We got a matte finish. It does retain some fingerprints and smudges, but it's not as bad as compared to if we used a glossy finish for the design of the laptop or the notebook. So everything looks pretty much like a standard chiclet key, and you have this really bright neon, I think it's neon, highlighter green enter button. So we'll talk about that later. Now we're gonna go a little bit more in depth in the video and try this baby out. For all of you guys shopping online for a new laptop, whether it be for work or for leisure, this one may be perfect for you. Today, we are looking at the latest iteration of the ASUS Vivobook S14. Now, this new model is equipped with an 11th gen processor, which means upgraded performance from previous models plus the sharpened graphics that come with it. That's right, not only is it going to look great, but it's going to perform great as well. The model that we received is the i7 variant. With its 14-inch screen, the newest ASUS Vivobook has a very sleek design, and it doesn't look bulky or cumbersome to travel with. So when things are a little safer, it's the perfect companion for the cafe. The keyboard has standard chiclet keys and feels smooth to type with and has good travel to it as well. It doesn't feel too mushy and sounds pretty muffled, which is good if you're looking for a more discreet typing experience. But if you're someone who enjoys a tactile and clicky experience when you're typing, you might not have as much fun. The majority of the keys are in all black with white lettering, save for the Enter key, which is embossed by a fresh outline of neon green. So I guess there are no more excuses for not pressing send. Personally, I think it gives a fresh look to an otherwise monochromatic keyboard and makes the device look more modern without being too in your face about it. All work and no play could have made a very generic looking laptop. If you're looking for a laptop that can perform well for work and productivity, the ASUS Vivobook sports an 11th gen i7 for quick processing efficiency that gets the job done with finesse and quality. It is paired with 8 gigs of RAM, which is enough for most users. Plus, if your work is more on the graphic design side of things, the NVIDIA MX350 graphics and Intel Iris Xe will definitely come in handy for stuff like video editing and Photoshop. Additionally, if you're looking for a quick breather in the middle of a busy work week, the Vivobook can be used for taking a little break. You can hang out with your friends and wind down with some casual gaming together. Or you can find out who among you is the most sus as you scream at each other while playing some Among Us. Plus, with the standard webcam it supports, you can showcase your looks of betrayal as well. But I am very trustworthy though. As mentioned, this laptop has a webcam that has you covered when you need to have your video meetings in this new normal. The laptop is also equipped with various ports such as USB, HDMI, a card reader, and also, surprisingly, a Thunderbolt port. So attaching your devices and adapting to different technological needs for the day will be no problem at all. Talk about versatility. I mean, come on, a Thunderbolt port, guys. Now for the battery, the quick charge function lets you charge the 50 watt-hour battery in a flash in case you need to rush out for a meeting. You know, when it's safer again. So there you have it, guys. Sleek and powerful, the newest ASUS Vivobook looks like a pretty promising contender for its price range. The laptop's i7 variant goes for 59,995 pesos, and for the i5 variant, that would be 49,995 pesos. But considering what the device has to offer, this is definitely an investment that you may want to consider. Looking past how cool and clean the design looks, it also pulls its own weight when it comes to overall performance. At least for my first impressions. We're gonna put this laptop through the usual tests, so watch out for the full review and the final verdict. Don't forget to check out our reviews on unbox.ph, and also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed that video. Hit the notification icon if you want to get them updates when we drop them videos. Once again, thank you for listening to my Tol and Tech tips, and thank you so much to Sab for helping me out with the script and the video. Once again, I am Cholo Tolentino, and I'll see you guys in the next one.